there, are you going to Great Wolf Lodge soon and looking for some tips and tricks? I'm glad you found this video because it's exactly what you are looking for. I'll start with preparation. 1. Towels. You don't have to bring your own towel because there are plenty in the bathroom and also you can get it at the water park too. Number 2. Life jacket. They have life jacket at the water park, but if you have small baby, I recommend you bring your own because they only have for adult and toddler. I brought my own for my 18-month-old. 3. Slippers. I did not bring my slipper because I thought we are not even allowed to wear any shoes in the water park. Turns out my husband's slippers came in handy. Everyone in the water park wears slippers or water shoes. 4. Swimsuit. I noticed they are not really strict on the swimsuit as long as you wear something that doesn't absorb water like regular t-shirt. Number 5. Snacks. They do sell a lot of food and snacks on the second floor lobby, so you can buy either from there or even bring your own into the water park. But please pay attention to number 6, security. There is no security check at the main entrance, but they do check your bag at the water park. Just make sure you follow Great Wolf Lodge policy. Hey, good news! That's all for the preparation. So now is the day we go to the Great Wolf Lodge. Yoo-hoo! So after you check in with the receptionist, they will give you a bracelet for each member of your family. Your credit card information will be added into the bracelet, so you don't have to bring your own credit card with you. You also use the bracelet to scan to get into your hotel room and also getting in and out of the parking lot. For us, after checking in and getting into the hotel room, we just got a little time. Actually, the water park open since 9 o'clock to 8 p.m. and we got there around 2 p.m. and we checked in around 2:30. Fortunately, we were able to get into the room right away. The room check-in time is supposed to be 4 p.m. FYI, although you can get into your room at 4 p.m., you are welcome to the water park the whole day of your reservation. Let's say you book for Saturday and Sunday. You are supposed to check in at 4 p.m. Saturday and check out 11 a.m. Sunday. Your bracelet allows you to enjoy the water park for the entire Saturday and Sunday, so make sure you take the opportunity. For us, we relaxed a little bit before changing into the swimsuit. We have a small baby, so nobody was rushing, but I'm sure big toddler will be so excited to play with the water, so plan accordingly. Oh yes, about the wolf headband, don't forget to grab it from the person greeting you at the main entrance. No additional charge. Another trick is, if you can, ask them to stay at the second floor because that's where the water park entrance, stores, and games are. I think I'm done talking for now, so let's enjoy. But this is just the beginning, so make sure you stay tuned until the end because I still have some more tips for you. So we gotta play in the water park for 1 hour and a half because there were an emergency which required everyone to get out of the pool. We decided to just went back to the room and got changed because there was another big event that we were waiting for, which is the glow in the dark dance. But first, let's explore the stores, the games, and also the food court. Hey everyone, this is the dance party.